Welcome to Rapid Render. This week, we got a new set of tools that we're taking a look at. Yeah, this week's Rapid Render features LumaLabs Genie. And this is one of the ones that when we were looking at the list of all of the AI apps, it was not ready. So we thought that we would run out of all of these websites by now, but it looks like a lot of them have been getting lots of updates in the recent days. So looks like we're going to be keep doing this segment for quite a while. And this one, I think, was like behind closed doors. I thought we had covered it, but this is one of the apps that we actually use for scanning objects from Luma AI 3D. It's an iOS app, so we used it for photo geometry. One of the apps that we used for like doing a tutorial on how to scan statues to 3D print. So I really like their website. It's using your Google login. And one of the things I like is that it doesn't require credits. So it allows you to build a bunch of these, generate these with a text prompt without having to fork over any money. And it looks like the way that they're actually building their assets is by just reusing a bunch of them that have been scanned already, which is, fine by me. I allow people to use any of the things that we've been scanning since a lot of the statues is just at like the theme parks or whatever. So super cool that all over the website, you can see that you can click on any of these and it'll let you take a look at what the prompt to generate was, and then you could actually generate it from there. So super cool. I don't know how they build this website. See here, like the octopus alpha bioluminescent patterns, and it does a really good job of building the texture into it all around. From one of the past rapid renders, you had requested a robot with a jetpack, so I wanted to see if that was able to generate something. Here's what it was able to generate: robot with a jetpack. Not a lot of options in terms of like the sliders that we saw last week, but you can see here that it actually generated a jetpack on what looks like a robot. The options from here is you can, have it generate more variants of the model that you pick, go in there and have it generate an even higher resolution of it. Here's what it looks like with the texture on it. Pretty high quality for a game, if you ask me. So we wanted to see what the mesh that it generates looks like. And it couldn't even join the leg to the torso. So of course, you go back into Blender and you can go in there and join the faces. I'm just bridging the edges between that. So after you join all of the faces together, this would work out cool as a prototype. If you're not, trying to get like a model approved for a video game, this would be a very quick way to do that. And then here is a look at how it generates the UVs for your